Okay, welcome to Cape Town. We are in Cape Town today. I'm just gonna try and see whether it is true that you can go on the Cable Mountain or Table Mountain, use their facilities for free if it's your birthday. So today it's my birthday, so I'm gonna try and do that and see whether that's possible. So I'm putting my stuff here. Okay, beautiful sunny day in Cape Town. It is about let's see, it's about 39 degrees in Cape Town and it's very sunny. So we're just gonna try and see whether I can go there for free. I'm gonna go and see a friend of mine. Yeah, so come with me to Cape Town, and it's my birthday after all. Yep. Okay. So this is the area. It's a bit difficult to come out. Park here. Have to try and come out without hitting these things. So this is the guest house. Apparently in January in Cape Town can be full and stay in a hotel. So well, still busy season I guess in Cape Town. So yeah, so this is one of the guest house. If you wanna see it, just let me know. Do a bit of a tour of these guest houses. It's outside of Cape Town though. It is called Little Scotch here. Outside of Cape Town. I'm in city center. Just in it's in a place called Rotterbosch. So yeah, it is not it's not bad per se, but you can stay here. Okay. So I'm driving. I rented a car in the airport, and then the car still new. Look at the kilos. Still about 250 kilometers on the clock, which is literally nothing. Well, still pretty new. So yeah, let's go. To Cape Town. So people actually prefer to stay in town, but if you stay in town, it's gonna be way expensive. I also prefer to stay in town, but especially if you don't have a car. So, but if you have a car, it's even here. It's also it's fine. It's about 7.5 kilometers to town, so it is not far from town. However, when you're coming out of town, let's say around about 4 or 3, then you must expect to encounter a bit of traffic. There's a lot of traffic. In fact, you can stay. See, like I said, it's about 7.5 kilometers, but coming out of Cape Town to this place, sometimes it takes us about 1 hour. An hour just stuck on the traffic. I don't know whether everyone has a car in Cape Town or what, but traffic can be very, very high, especially in the afternoon. That's what I've seen as far as I'm concerned. So this, we are going to city center. Yeah, okay, I might start at waterfront, then work my way out of to the Mountain, and then maybe start by waterfront so you can see waterfront. I'm not even sure what time they close the Table Mountain, but I'm hoping it's a bit later. I have to check the times. I'm sure you can. There's a time on the phone. You can see what time they close. But yeah, so the plan is today. It's Vienna and Table Mountain. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, like I said, it's my birthday today, so hooray, happy birthday to me. 2nd of February. So my birth, I mean, if I write my birthday, it's 0202, which is quite nice. Yeah. So we headed to Cape Town, city center. I mean, we're already in Cape Town, just headed to city center from the guest house. I need to stick on my right, I think. See now what I set up for traffic when you return. I don't know if it's visible on this phone. Look at these cars on the right. So that's a road that basically when you go to that place, it's either airport or my area there at Rondebosch. This is the traffic you get stuck on. See, this road there's no traffic, but if you're coming back, look at that traffic. I think people are going back home and shit like that. But yeah, this is the traffic. It's a nightmare. Anyway, we are not stuck on traffic. We are headed to Cape Town city center. So there's a lot of congestion or traffic in Cape Town. But this is the road to Cape Town, as you can see, Cape Town city center. This is the road. Stick on this lane. Beautiful Cape Town. So yeah, when people talk about Cape Town, this is what they're talking about. This is the area.
Keep right at the fork.
Well, madam, I did keep right. So it is you see a lot of these crews during this time of the year. So this is Norwegian Dawn. So yeah, they come a lot from here, probably even up to Richards Bay for the summer tour. So people just prefer to come to Africa during the summer season, because in Europe apparently it's winter, so they prefer to tour these areas where you'll enjoy summer countless times. Yeah. So this, as you can see, there's another one there, which is a cruise. So yeah. Okay, so this is traffic. I'm just gonna switch off this. By the time I turn it on, probably I'll be in VNA, or VA, or whatever. Yeah. Oh, this is Lion's Head. Yeah. Okay, this is Lion's Head. Okay. Yeah, you even know. Okay, so the cable is right here. That will take us, well, hopefully it will take me to the top.
Yeah, you see the cable is coming down now.
Where?
Yeah, there is a cable coming down.
Okay. Yeah, hopefully they will take me up there for free.
No, you have
to pay. Well, I don't have the money to pay, but what are you talking about? Hopefully it's gonna be free, please. Yeah. Hopefully it's gonna be free.
Yeah. Oh shit. What's wrong?
I just put. Okay. I just put reverse without.
No, it's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So why are these people parked here?
I think they don't have a parking up there.
Oh, if you don't have parking, you park here. And
I think so, but we'll find out from. Let's just
this
go.
Guy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just hold on this one and point up there.
Okay.
If you wanna see,
there is the cable coming down. Oh, there's other one. No, they will exchange there. They will just gonna meet halfway.
Okay.
They'll come across.
Let's ask this guy.
Okay. Yeah, but this one.
She's not working there.
Yeah. Yes. Sure. Let's go. Let's take it from there.
Yeah, they will let us know.
Yeah.
I thought it was working for.
Yeah. Oh, there is the place where you call where the car is coming from. Oh, the Vista, ne?
Huh?
It's La Vista or Vista.
I don't know.
It's, oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's nice. Sure. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, if you wanna see what you point at, you just need to tap here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, look at this view.
Look at this view, Baba. Sure, this is Cape Town.
Yeah. No, man. We have to go to this place, man, called Anklatish Doos. You never been there?
Oh, but they told me it's about 1,500
No, it's 1,090 rand.
1,090 rand?
Yes.
I don't know about 1,090 rand.
I'm telling you, I've been trying to call them for a couple of times, so we can go there. Let me think. What about tomorrow? Then we can go.
Yeah, tomorrow. We can go there. So it's gonna be.
Yeah.
On my birthday, is it free?
What's wrong with this guy?
Free on my birthday, I'm willing to go.
I just asking myself why I just become your friend, man. When you stinge like this.
If it's free, I will go. If not, no, I'm not.
Oh yeah. Oh. No, I think we have to park somewhere, and then we're gonna walk down. Yeah.
Let's hope there's parking.
Yeah, I think those people they're coming from the parkings. Yeah, but it's hot today. Shit.
Yeah, it's very hot, man.
Yeah.
Shit.
But
is this the parking?
Yeah, there's the parking.
This guy, look how he.
Yeah, he parked it just.
Let's see if there's another one.
Yeah, let's see. Maybe we'll be lucky and find one. Yeah. No. Fully packed. Let's go straight. but that was the best parking that we left. Yeah, but it's okay. We'll find one. Oh, these people. Look at the space, man.
Yeah, I don't know how they're parked.
Yeah, this is the right one.
This is
But,
the-
yeah. Oh, this is the nice one as well. Yeah. From Namibia.
Yes,
Thank you. Look at this, bro. Look at this view, bro. Jeez. Jeez.
yeah, so this is Cape Town.
Yeah, it's beautiful, man.
Yeah, this is Cape Town.
Yeah.
Let's go and find out.
Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Get my camera back.
Okay.
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 Okay. Yeah, Ross.
Yeah. You can switch it up.
Yeah, I can switch it off. Yeah.
Yeah.
I will turn it on back. Okay. Okay, so let me explain what's happening here.
That's all these cables.
Oh, this is like the cables. Okay. So on your birthday, it's official. See, it's written return birthday 00. So you don't pay on your birthday. So
I'm the only one who paid.
So only my friend that paid. Okay. Okay.
There's a cruise liner leaving the harbor.
Oh yes, I saw Ilanduzen. Is it from Denmark or something? I saw a cruise liner from Denmark. So hi. So in winter, a lot of tourists actually come here. A lot of tourists. Okay, so
Nein, das haben die.
oh yeah. So it's valid for any day.
Yeah.
In fact, I should have.
Come back even tomorrow.
Is it? Huh?
You can do it until the whole month and then you come up and
Also, you get to do it in until the month end.
until the whole month of
The whole month.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. Hi. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And look, you're gonna go up your right.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay. Huh?
You can. Okay. Hmm? What? The phone? Oh. But when you're up there.
Oh yeah. I have a phone.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Table Mountain Edo Cableway. For your safety, kindly step away from the signs, let go of the emerald silver handbars, as the floor beneath you will be rotating. Thank you.
Doesn't matter when you sit.
Reactie. Maar wil je niet bij papa even komen staan? Dat gaat toch zo.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Dat zijn jullie die daar op is.
En kiezen.
How long stop as well? Okay. After the blows as well. Okay. Okay, let me come.
kuba nomoya.
Yeah. Okay. Sorted, yeah.
Ngifuna sihlale baba uma sihlala lele ithi ngara mase ngishotha ke wena. Khona izoqhamuka manje la.
Okay.
Nanzo kushaya baba.
That was
Ihamba fast.
yeah. So if you climb up here, how long does it take you to get to the top? Do you know?
Guys, they're saying like an hour or two. Because I never claimed. Not the kind of tea I think. Why so doesn't come close? Go there to the open space.
No, it's gonna come this way. Where's the no?
Just want to come like this. Look at this.
Ladies and gentlemen, have your attention please. Table Mountain is a national park and part of World Heritage Site and one of the 7 wonders of nature. So we ask you please to respect the environment, but not picking any flowers, chipping at rocks or stones, wasting any water, nor feeding off the wild animals. Do place your litter in bins provided and stick to the demarcated pathways. They are there for your safety. And for the smokers, smoking is only allowed at the top of hostel status, situated below the shop at the top, as it is a major source of litter and a huge fire hazard. There might be a slight knock as we dock in. Please do not be alarmed. Facing the main building, exit door to my left. Once we've come to a complete stop and we have docked, we will have reached the height of 1,067 meters above sea level, approximately 3,500 feet. So the reservoir of X height, congratulations, you've made it to the top of the mountain. Do enjoy the view.
Nee. Inderdaad, precies. Wel mooi zo, hè? Oh,
Of what?
dan gaan we boven kijken.
What's your size?
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, we are right on top of Table Mountains. Yep. Now, so let's have a look what's in here. Okay.
사람들 안 와. 그런 거예요?
Shops there.
Hmm?
Yeah, we can find shops. There's Camps Bay, ne?
Which one?
This.
Oh, the one that is expensive.
Remember, we drove there.
Oh.
Sacred section. Sacred.
Sacred.
Cycle. So
Okay. Sure.
Look at this.
Look at this.
That's where the we put there down there.
Yeah, just
Near that yellow one.
yeah. Hopefully our car is still there.
Yeah. I don't think someone coming to.
Yeah. So you want a picture, Lana?
Yeah, please.
Okay, let me switch off. We're back in business.
Back in business. Yep.
Okay, so let's see how big is this area.
We'll go around.
Okay.
There's the ice cream.
What is this? Shop at what? At the top.
Yeah. Want a beer?
No. Yeah, this is the restaurant. What is it? Let's go down. Here on the table. Okay, see, there's another toilet. Did you come this side? Then?
Yeah, I came this side.
Okay. I wonder what is the temperature here up here.
It's kind of.
Oh, okay. If you
It's a drainage, I think.
probably drainage. If you're coming that direction, you're just walking all the way up there. Did you pay? Was it free?
When you're walking there?
Yeah.
No, it's for free.
It's for free.
Yeah, it's for.
You only pay for the
cable.
cable.
Yeah. Just for hiking, you can do your own thing.
Yeah. Okay. It will take you ages. Okay.
Oh, that's a really bad coffee.
Yeah. In this heat, who needs coffee? Yeah. But it's still Lentuzen. It's a Kems Bay.
Yeah,
this one.
That's a road that we use.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's Hot Bay down there.
Okay. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Hmm? Yeah. Udah kumala.
May.
Udah kumala.
No.
Ta-da. Okay, what's like my 10, boss? Just no, nothing's gonna happen, man. You stand this side, maybe, yeah.
Oh yeah, so that.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
It's very
The sun.
Yeah, it's very
I hope you know, Tinjala, we're charging 200 Rand per picture.
Don't push it too much.
Okay, are you gonna take me, boss?
Okay.
Okay, okay, thanks. Okay, you take Maggie now. Okay.
Hey, no shading.
No,
Because
continue. Let's see how it's
dark
going.
is fine.
No, try, take a picture. I want to see how it look like.
Yeah, nice
Okay.
one. You can take me now.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I cannot do anything about the ugliness of it. It's just coming out. So much. You take it to say, just remove the stuff. Shucks. Okay. He saw a camera and he took his moment. Okay, let's look at this. The legend Flying Dutchman. Countless other tales of fish wreck and storm remains and sailed at Cabo de Boer. Okay. Okay. So
yeah,
it's all of this month.
yeah, the whole of this month.
I can come here for free. But now it's just that I'm leaving Cape Town on, but I can still come on Friday.
Yeah.
And I don't know what time they close. Monday to. They said about past 7.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, they said about past 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So this is 7 How much more is
Spaghetti.
Okay. Ah, let's go. This is the table mountain. This was 382 Well, I guess 182 because you're gonna have to pay me back. You're in that side. They don't ask you anything. You just go in. But when you come back, that's when you need to produce electronic ticket. Then you start, and I like the time. No, when you come on, something so then they go. They don't care. Okay. Apparently, if you wanna come up here, you can just. But where is the hiking? Oh, there we go. So that is basically where you can hike all the way there. Don't know if it's visible. Then you come up here for free, but it will take you a couple of hours. It will take you a couple of hours to get up here, of which with the thinking with the okay, there we go. So that is basically the hiking trail.
So everybody just park the car there
and then hike. Oh, okay. But now it will take you hours and hours to get up here.
Not even 1 hour. It can take you an hour for the first day.
Yeah.
Maybe for the first week.
But the thing is, it's free to get up here with that.
Yeah, it's free.
It's free.
You're just paying for cable.
Yeah, just paying for car cable. That what is costing you, that 380. Other than that, it will be free.
No, it only cost me 380. You are free. You only come.
Well, because it was my birthday. Other than that, I would have paid that 380 as well. I didn't because it was my birthday. I think so.
It's black.
Yeah.
First time to see the black one.
Yes.
Look at it. Come close.
Huh?
I didn't take it very close. It was
No.
very interesting.
So yeah, this is one of the activities that you can do here in Cape Town. Come to a Table Mountain.
I think we need to go for wine farming.
We're in Stellenbosch.
Yeah, Stellenbosch.
Okay, that's
It's
another
JC
thing.
Rarul, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, and maybe we can go there tomorrow.
wine farm. Okay, wine
What
farm.
do you think? Wine farm or?
You know, there was another farm, strawberry picking,
Oh yes,
but I don't know if it's.
I think it's somewhere there.
Yeah,
Yeah, but we'll Google and
Yeah.
find out.
but you can come here at Table Mountain. You can go to Vienna waterfront.
Yeah.
It's beautiful there. You can take. You can go to Robben Island
Yeah.
with those
Ferries.
ferries, or you can just tour the harbor with the small passenger vessels.
Mm.
Tour the harbor and whatnot. You can, okay, like I said, strawberry farm. You can go for wine tasting. Stellenbosch, which is not far. Maybe it's what, 45 kilometers from here.
Juice as well for biking.
Oh yes. You can go for that. This is Atlantic juice.
Yeah, Atlantic juice.
Juice or whatever.
Yeah.
Can go there for. Those are white sand. You know, you take your quiet bags on the white sand.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. So, if I have money and opportunity, I'll go there. We'll have to decide tomorrow which.
Yeah, we'll choose tomorrow. Either it's a wine farm or
Yeah,
Atlantic juice.
yeah. Ah,
We need to
shucks.
go and grab some beer, and after that we decide.
I heard beer.
That's
Hey, how are you guys?